Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. Some people would say it's Taco Tuesday, but not here in my kitchen. Last night, I prepared a dish from Morocco, some would say North Africa or Algeria, but yeah, you get the idea. That was day one, and that was the dish I prepared I'm looking at my notes, just kind of past there. Chicken tagine. It's very good. It looks like American stew, but it's not. And what makes this particular dish, the dish, is the herb and spice blend. I was introduced to this spice blend by my friends up north in Everett, Washington. They commissioned me to develop this blend based on just a little itty bitty, just a tiny little sample of what they were using in their home kitchen. So I did it, yeah. So that was Morocco yesterday. Today is the United States. I'm actually not cooking today, but I will be for the rest of the week. Today is good old American pizza. Yes, I say American pizza because you do have samples and origins of pizza in Naples and other locations in Italy and Sicily, but we have American pizza. Whether you want to call it Chicago deep dish or New York thin crust or Detroit style, which they never called it Detroit style when I lived there. But there is American pizza. Tonight is Pappa Murphy's Take and Bake. Yes, we like it. We also have a coupon. So, yeah. And it gives me kind of a break. All right, so that's today. That's tonight. Not much hardware to show. I'll show you. Pizza cutter. That's it. The rest of the counters are nice and clear. So, on this Tuesday, I get this taken care of. You won't see the hat tomorrow. And this will be all nice and trimmed up and beautiful. Today is errand day for me. I have a bunch of errands I need to run after I get my haircut. So, on this Taco Tuesday, and don't forget to go to your favorite taqueria. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.